Dr. Eric's company was enjoy oppressing people with a loss as economy. At the time, in 1997, began the story of the various wounded for the survival of their children and grandchildren, existing in a village that taken away by the company.
Native people. This region is so that you saw out submit to me and by offend for one stack can be banned for life.
Ivermectin, what thou hast acted shall receive, thou shalt live here, but thou shalt not love us.
We are out of horses. We did not expect you help because I don't need problems as delicious and married as you.
Well, you insult me, but I don't give a damn what any of you say. But you are miserable and my money going in.
You crazy! I hope you dead man.
From the day on, the company attacked the people and forced them to follow the orders to take away the will of the people. Since the society had begun to change its life 180 degrees its misery for months on end. One day, the young man gathered and consulted on the issue of this.
We must turn frame and act to bring the company down and banish it from our homeland.
Then I think of myself as meeting open. Will it be good for you to have an opinion on the matter?
We must save him first.
I think we solved the first strategy and the members of propaganda moment on this mission on that I miss capture and Alice and company.
Another entry, and just as a compliment of the brother, that we not only design but we also have to form an organization for things to work out without a lot of people around.
And I wanted to ask you, where is it? It's to cut him off, not destroy the rest of the country.
I think we get him to that volcano, which is at the edge end of the village, because that where no one lives.
Well, I agree that it's a good idea and it does not bother people in other areas.
So when do we find this idea? That we may soon be rid of it. I will perform next month on day which radiation is borrowed.
After they began to formulate plans and prepare the tools needed during the attack with the company. 1 month later, they gathered at the village square and prepared the tools to attack the company and also prepared for the hometown event.
I've been setting up the pool to take him to the place we've been planning.
I'm going to stay right where we have appointed so that we can make sure that no one is there and prepare the hall to make sure.
We waiting for. Let's do it now with wasting too much time.
When it happened, started to open doors and open windows in the company house. Once they got in, they started heading back into the room to generate it and take it into the river.
What's so a lot outside? That infuriates me out, but then I sleep again for tomorrow.
Here we go. Let's go here and tie her up completely and shut her up.
Help me! Help me!
Mission complete. Congratulations, my friend.
Another entry. It's just
That where
2, 3.
I will perform.
1, 2, 3. Then set up salah. Ini malah yun.
Coba baca skripnya, Mem.
1, 2, 3.